I don't know if I'm in focus.
Who do the shit that I do?
Hey you guys, and today we are going to be talking about my hair. Finally, I'm doing a hair post. I know I don't talk about hair much because I honestly don't enjoy doing my hair. Like, I know my curls can be a little bit better than this if I just do them a lot more. So, we are going to be talking about some products, how I do my hair, how I take care of my bleached hair, why I bleach my hair, what I use to tone my hair, what I use to wash my hair, what I use to treat my scalp, what I use to style it with. And I am collaborating with Sugar Bear Hair, not on YouTube, on Instagram. So this is not a sponsored post. We will be talking about Sugar Bear Hair as well. But I know I am going to put this on Instagram TV. And no, I'm not paid by Sugar Bear. I am just collaborating with them because they sent me a bottle to talk about. So that is what I am doing. So I'm just gonna go into a little bit about the vitamin first because I am about to wash my hair. Yeah. So this gummy is made for all hair types. It is lab tested and it is vegetarian. It is also gluten-free, soy-free, and cruelty-free. So we're saving our fur babies. Now I did try this earlier. I tried my first one earlier because I could not wait to see what it tasted like. And they taste like fruit. They taste like berries, like mixed berry, and it tastes so good. So I'm gonna try another one. I'm gonna do my second one. You take 2 a day. I'm gonna do my second one later when my hair is all good and whatnot, so I can take a picture for Instagram. I'm trying to track my hair growth with this vitamin, so that's what I'm going to do. The packaging definitely sells you, but I hope that this is better than the packaging. Like, I hope it's more than just cute packaging, but I feel like it is because I hear so many people raving about it that aren't paid. So I'm excited for it, and I'm really thankful that they actually sent me some because I wasn't thinking about it because I used to work with another hair brand and I don't anymore because now I can talk about other hair stuff, and I'm really excited to be dipping back into different hair products. So this is going to be the first post since then, and let's get right into why I bleached my hair, how I took care of it, and everything like that. And I will even link who I go to if you're local down below in the description, aka caption, on Instagram. So you can definitely go get your hair done if you want blonde, or if you want someone that knows mixed hair. You can definitely hit her up, and she's pretty good. She knows exactly how mixed hair is, and I'm really, I love her. I really do. And she doesn't upcharge because we have mixed hair, and I just love it so much because people be like, oh, you have mixed hair? I'm gonna have to charge you $200-300 just to get it treated, like deep condition or cut or whatever like that. I'm like, bye. But okay, so how it started is I just wanted something different, so I went to my friend's dad and he did it because he's a hairstylist. So that's where it started, and then I grew that blonde out. It wasn't as bright and white as this one was when it's toned, but it was a start. And then when I got it dyed again, I went like, I had highlights and lowlights in the balayage. So that's what that did, and that's Sarah did that one, my hairdresser Sarah. And then this time I was like, I want something different because my granddaddy had passed away. I just need something new. I need a change. Like, I need a change. I need something that made me feel good. And I went silver. On certain parts of my hair, it's silver, but it doesn't need to be toned and everything like that. So that's why it's like all these different colors. I'm about to tone it right now, but she's gonna professionally tone it next weekend. So we only bleached it once since doing it again. So my hair takes it pretty well. Okay, so what I tone it with is, I don't bleach it more than once every 2 to 3 months. I will not bleach it more than that. So I'm really careful about putting too much bleach. I only sit with it for like maybe an hour in my hair, I believe, and my hair takes it very well. We did foils this time to get it really white, but we're not doing foils anymore because you can see that the foils did leave these little straight pieces in my hair on that side. So that's why you see me sometimes leaving it on this side when it's wet, because when it's wet, it's completely straight. So that's what happened. That's the only damage I've ever had in my hair. My hair is not dry. My hair is not breaking off. My hair grows really long. Like, I will put a picture right here of what my hair looked like before I cut it. It needed a cut. She wouldn't tell me how we're just gonna talk over the ice cream truck because that ice cream truck don't ever come through here. But she was like, you need to cut, girl. So there was no fighting with her, no telling her no. So we cut like I think 2 inches off. So I miss my long hair. You guys, my hair was so long. Like it was like maybe like it was below my boobs. So that's how much she cut off. So I'm gonna get into what I use in the shower because I'm about to take a shower and do my hair. So let's get right into that because I'm not taking you guys in the shower because I don't have to sit up for that. My bathroom's really small and I just like to enjoy my shower in peace and quiet. So okay, so I used to use Matrix purple shampoo like she gave me, but sometimes I'll mix that in with this if I really need a tone. I might do it today because it's really like brown for some reason. I don't know. Everybody's been commenting on it, so I know it's time for it to be toned. But I did get this sent to me. This is not sponsored by them, but I did get sent this Amika Bust Your Brass purple shampoo. It is a cool blonde shampoo. It's made for like platinum and silver hair. So be sure to look on the back. If you're platinum or silver, make sure you look on the back of your shampoo because one of my blonde products said not to use it on platinum or silver hair. It is made for blonde hair, like straight, like maybe like this color. It's not even blonde, like maybe my yellow hair. If you go back a few videos, you'll see yellow hair. It was made for that kind of blonde. So I seen this and I was like, and I seen it on Octoly and they sent it to me with another product that I'll be talking about. And this stuff, like literally I can sit there and watch my hair change to silver again. I really love it. It doesn't smell bad. It does not smell bad at all like other purple shampoos. Like that's what I was really worried about. So it is like really purple. You can see how purple it is. So pretty. And it smells so good. It smells so clean. You can't really smell none of the chemicals in it. And it's been really, it's made to keep your hair cool toned, like bad, like how blonde keeps it cool. That's what it starts with on the back. So I wet my hair, I massage it in, but I'll only put it on my blonde parts. Like I'll only do that. I won't do my scalp with this product because it does dry out. Purple shampoo will dry out your hair. So I don't do it on my scalp. I do it on just right here because I don't want a dry scalp because my scalp's already dry. So what I do for putting on my scalp, I use the Dermin E Scalp Relief Shampoo. This soothes dry irritated scalp, and it has what was the thing that made it you can actually feel it working. Like you can legit feel it's working. It has tea tree oil. You can feel the tea tree oil tingling in your hair. So I'll put this on my scalp. I'll only concentrate this on my scalp with this in my hair at the same time because this will only be on my ends. So I'll put this in first, then I'll put this on my ends and I'll let it set for a little bit. I don't touch it. I don't do anything. I just leave it set. And then what I do is I go in with this shampoo brush that I got from TJ Maxx. Literally, it fits in the palm of your hand. It feels so good. And you just rub it like this. Your hair will get a little bit tangled at the root, but it just feels so good to my hair. And I really feel a difference in my scalp. Just don't press too hard because your scalp is really sensitive and these are really hard. So just like gently like massage it in, and my scalp has not been flaking as much and it's getting better about being itchy. So I would highly recommend a shampoo brush for curly hair. And then after I do my scalp therapy, I will go in and literally go like this to my hair. Like I will massage every single bit of it like this. So the shampoo, the purple shampoo can really tone my hair, and then I'll put it up and then I'll do something. I'll shave my body. I will shave. And then I'm on to conditioning. So for conditioner, this looks disgusting, I know. But I'll be using the R&Co Analog Cleansing Foam Conditioner Shampoo. It's like a shampooing conditioner, but this is like a foam. So it's literally like the consistency of razor, like shaving cream. And it smells like coconut. It smells so good. It is cruelty-free, oil-free, gluten-free, vegan, mineral-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free, and petrolatum-free, and it's UV protection. So I really love this stuff. They did send this to me as well, and I have been absolutely in love with it. Like I absolutely love using this. I will definitely put in my hair, leave it set, wash my body, wash my face. I know you're not supposed to wash your face in the shower, but I do anyways because it just helps, you know. I never had a problem with it, so I just do it. So and then I will take this, I will brush my hair with this in my hair in the shower, and my hair doesn't come out as much neither. I don't know what Sarah did, but she done did it and my hair don't fall out as much. like I don't have that much shedding anymore. So whatever you're doing, boo, please keep doing it. But that's what I'll do, and then I'll rinse it out and put it back and then get out of the shower. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. I will be back and show you guys how I style my hair, and then I'll come back and show you the end result after it's done drying. So I'll be back. It's gonna be like an hour or two before I get back on the camera. So it's 4:19 at the moment, my birthday. My birthday coming up. But yeah, I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, so it is 2 hours later, like I said, because I know how slow I am at stuff. So I washed my hair, I did all that, and you can actually see the difference. I'll put a side-by-side difference on the screen of how much more gray my hair is than from before. So you can actually see, like, this was before on my so this was before my hair was like really brassy looking and really brown, and now you can see that my hair is very much so gray and it's wet. So my hair is darker when it's wet. So that is that. And yeah, so I'm gonna split my hair in 2 sides. I usually put more hair on this side because this side is parted, and I need to go get my spray bottle. Please hold while we connect to customer service. Okay, I know. Okie dokie. So I'm not gonna talk while I do any of my hair. Like, I'm gonna explain the products to you and what I do with it, and if I need to tell you something during, I will, but I'm trying to explain and then do, and then explain and then do, because I be getting off track whenever I try to do 2 things at once. So yeah, this is my hair wet with no product in it. You can see, like I said before, how straight these are over here, and it's detangled, but it's not. But I'm not gonna put a brush to it before I put in some leave-in conditioner. So first, before leave-in conditioner, I always use this. This makes my hair look kind of that violet silver, and I love it. This is a Supernova Blonde from Amika, and it's the Violet Moisture and Shine Cream. Basically, it keeps the frizz away, it protects from heat, which, you guys, I forgot to say, I did not put heat on my hair except for hot water. So when I'm in the shower, that's the only heat my hair gets. I do not blow dry, I do not straighten, I don't curl, I don't do anything, because of the fact that I'm scared what it'll do to this bleach. So I do not recommend you bleaching your curls and then straightening your hair, because I don't know. I don't know, and I don't want to find out, because I will put a photo right here of what my hair used to look like. And then I went natural. Thank you, Shayla, because boy, we worked so hard to get my hair back natural. I did have a perm in my hair, so the straight perm. So I grew back out natural. My hair is thriving. But we're gonna put some of this in there. It smells a little bit better than the shampoo, but both smell amazing. This is really hard to read because, like, the words are on. I did that like an old person. Basically it tones your hair over time. Like, it keeps my hair looking great, and I did not put this in before, and I used a good amount. And it looks like this, purple, and I usually take it like this first, and I only focus this on my ends because I have a balayage and my ends are what is silver, blonde, whatever you want to call it. Some say my hair is gray, some say my hair is silver, some say my hair is platinum. See how knotted it is still? Like, I just brushed it. Like, I literally just brushed it in the shower. My hair naps up so easily before leave-in conditioner. So that is it. I don't do anything. This is so weird doing my hair right here. I don't do my hair right here, but it's basically, it just melts into my hair. It doesn't make my hair dry or anything like that. It kind of moisturizes it just a little bit, but not like leave-in moisturizer. So I know this is upside down because your girl is almost empty. I used to work for Curls, and I love this blueberry leave-in moisturizer. The blueberry line is amazing. I also like the green line from Curls. So that is what I have been using because I'm trying to use up what I did have from working with them. I stopped working with them not because of anything toxic. My grandfather passed away. I worked for Gravy, Curls, I did Instagram and YouTube, and I worked for hospice full time, and it was just too much. And with Gravy, I sat here. Gravy's going through an update, so I'm not even gonna get into that. But I would have to drive and stuff, and it was just too much on me because it was a bad time. But anyways, this is the leave-in conditioner. It basically moisturizes your hair, and I always have to take the cap off and then I will leave it upside down for my second part, and it should fall to the bottom. Falls pretty quickly. It smells so good. Oh my god. So I'll do this side first because this side dries out quicker for some reason. I think it's because of the fact that my hair got damaged while bleaching it. You see how straight that is? So I mainly focuses on I don't really cater to my scalp hair too much. I mainly focus on my ends and the bleached pieces because my hair is pretty trained at the root. So I don't really have to be bothered about that, but my hair does get knotted where I need to get it toned so bad. Where the blonde and the black meet. So yeah, and the black is my natural hair. And leave it upside down, and then we're gonna do this side. Basically just finger it through my hair, and my hair detangles itself once it has leave-in conditioner in it. It's so weird. My hair is like so moody. And then I always take this piece and separate it so I can get some in between that. Hopefully I'm not flicking water everywhere all over my electronics. I said I was gonna explain first, but I'm definitely not doing that. And then I only use one more product, but first what I do is I brush my hair. I have to use a brush with, it's not tangled, like it's really not tangled. I have to use a brush with longer bristles because my hair is I have so much hair. I have fine hair, like the strands are fine, but I have so much hair that a short, like a tangle teaser, a wet brush will not, ooh, there's a knot right there, will not get through my hair. Like it will not get through my hair at all. And there was only one knot in all that. It looked so knotted. And I don't like my hair in my face, so I try to brush it away from my face in the front. Fun fact, I hate my hair in my face. I do hide behind my hair though whenever I don't feel like talking to people. If you ever see my hair down in my face, my hair in front of my face, don't talk to me. Because that means I am not friendly that day. This stuff smells so good. This is the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. I just started using this. I've used this for like 2 weeks and it's almost gone. It smells like, I sat here and smelled it. I did not want to leave my house one time because I was like smelling it and it was just so therapeutic. So we're just gonna put this, and what I do is I basically just do the same thing. And this stuff makes my hair super curly, super defined, super shiny. It doesn't make it crunchy and everything like that. So you only need the littlest amount of this stuff, like for real. Don't do too much or it will be crunchy, but it instantly recurls my hair from being so straight. But for me pulling it, it is such a beautiful product and it smells so good. It smells so delicious. These little kids outside need to be quiet because I don't feel like hearing them scream for any longer. Okie dokie. So that's all that I do for my hair, and then we're gonna air dry, and I will come back on here and show you what my hair looks like after it's all dry. Basically, that's my hair routine. I do it every single time. I just switch out my products sometimes. So, okay guys, so here is my hair all done and everything, all dry. It's like the back end over here is still a little bit damp, but it's mostly dry. And don't mind these. These are not damaged. I meant to mention this earlier. These are because I am mixed. This is what my mom's hair looks like, and then this is my mixed hair. So under here is a whole different kind of hair, and I try to keep it short because it is longer and straighter, so it falls under my curls. But this is what my hair looks like after I do it. After a couple hours, it usually looks better on day 2. I usually wake up in the morning and then I'll like redo this spot because as you can see, it gets really frizzy because I'm always pushing on my face. But that's about it. And if you want more hair videos, please let me know because I do need to start incorporating my hair on my channel because of the fact that I do have really diverse different hair. It's colored and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. And yes, I did film this makeup tutorial. Don't worry, it's gonna be up soon if it's not already.